Hey guys, Math 3, week number 5 at a glance. Game plans! Wednesday, week number 5, September 8th to September 11th. We're going to be starting using the textbook. I'll be explaining these numbers, 1.1.1, observing patterns. Our learning goal, students will be able to identify multiple patterns within a sequence in their skills practice packets. That is right. Although you guys picked up your textbooks this year, the student edition, they did not renew the license for skills practice, but that's what we're going to be using. California Common Core Standard for Mathematics, functions, 8B, write a function in equivalent forms. We'll go over some announcements. Week number 5 at a glance. I want to release the factoring test, but there's like 5 students who have not taken it. I've even recorded a video solution, so we're going to give it one more day, and then I'll let you guys know. Remember, for grades, Schoology is a way for you to get and turn in work. Aries is where I post the official grades, and emails are for communication. Khan Academy check, push that over, is September 30th, Wednesday at 8 a.m. So at the end of September, end of this month, you need to have a total of 2 hours, which is 120 minutes, 60 for August and 60 for September. Every day, you have to fill out this thing called Check and Connect. Okay, that's our way of taking attendance. Tuesdays and Thursdays, you need to go to Schoology's page and click on Math. And there'll be directions for a Check and Connect. Yesterday, 150 out of 187 students completed the Check and Connect. It is part of your participation grade, and you cannot make that up. Remember, Tuesdays and Thursdays are office hours. Click on that button, and you can go to the Google Meets. If you have a hotspot, read that slide. Remember last week we talked about the stops, slowdowns, and goes. If you're using Google Documents to work, do not notify me. Uncheck that, please. Or else I get thousands of emails that looks like that. Remember, the only assignments you're turning in through Google Forms are the first assignments. Those are for our brand new students: e-sign, student survey, motivational quote, Khan Academy check, Khan Academy sign up, and Edulastic sign up. You're not sending your assignments through email. Don't do that. You turn it in through Schoology. Remember, this is the way you can turn your assignments through Schoology. And here's another hint. I just helped a student yesterday. Can save your pictures to a Google document or slides and then upload it. Download it as a PDF and then upload it using that button. Do not upload a bunch of pictures. It doesn't look good. Remember to send your emails with names, periods, and subject. And remember, I am not a robot. You're not a robot, so we can't expect things to be done instantly. Campus wear, school pride, office hours. For students who just came, this is a one-pager. If you click on that, it shows you which weeks you need to do. Alright, let's change some colors here. I'm changing this. This is red. Red basically means that now it's considered late. How do you turn in a late assignment? You actually click on this word right there, right here. You click on late work. And it'll actually bring you to a Google form. And it has all the directions and a video explaining you how to do that step by step. So I hope you never have to click on that. I need you to click on this one, so if you haven't done it already, submit them. I created this slide for brand new students, so go ahead and click on that. We're on slide 15, and just click on that video. It's going to explain everything you need to know for a student who has entered on September 4th, Friday, or afterwards, or even including watching this video for the first time. Our week at a glance, week number 5, our essential question is, what patterns do you observe, and can you create algebraic expressions? Yesterday I didn't sign anything, so it's kind of like a Khan Academy day, and I'm going to talk about this one. This one's brand new. Skills practice. We're going to be going over this. And to click on this, you have to do some signing up. So I'm going to do that with you just right now. So basically, there are 3 letters you need to do, A, B, and C. And so you get 2 days to do that. It's about 50 minutes of videos, split into 2 days, about 25 minutes. And then 5 minutes just kind of clicking on links and copying pictures and stuff. Friday, you just click on this video. It's an explanation of a foldable that you can actually use. Super helpful. So how do you click on these links? These links are to a Kami app. Okay, so let's go over how to do that Kami app. So in this class, basically for the rest of the year, we're going to do interactive math worksheets with Kami. Number 1, you must use your computer's Chrome Internet browser. You have to use this browser, okay? The second thing you need to do is add the Chrome extension Kami, and you can actually click on that. I think it actually takes you there to get the Kami extension, okay? Number 3, then go back to Schoology and open the assignment, or you can actually just go back here to read at a glance and click on these Google Slides here, and then it'll bring you to that assignment, okay? And then I'll go through with you on these detailed instructions. If steps 1 to 3 weren't great, that's fine. But let's click on this, see what happens. I have it on mine, so I want to show you guys what happens. Right, so it's going to bring you to this worksheet, and I'm going to go ahead and zoom into this top left here. And so you're completing skills practice, says skills practice right here, right? Don't do that. And 1.11, what does this mean? That first one is a module number. The second number is a topic, and then the lesson is the third one. So this is kind of like a chapter. I'm sorry, this is kind of like a unit, and this is like a chapter, and this is the individual lesson. So 1.1.1, okay? And remember, in 2 days, you basically need to do 3 letters. So let's do big picture idea. There's A, there's 6 questions. Okay, B has 6 questions. And C has 6 questions, okay? Now, how do you do these? You can either, number 1, you can print them. It's going to be a lot of printing, so you don't have to do it that way. Number 2, old school, you can actually write these problems down. Would you write down the question? Yeah, because it can actually help you, especially if I say an open quiz or test. And then the third thing you can do is if you this is a PDF, and once you have both, again, you're in Chrome, internet browser, and you have this extension, you can actually download this and write on it with your tablet. Okay, some students are actually starting to do that now. Okay, what makes this an interactive math worksheet? It says draw the next 3 terms for each pattern shown, and you want to draw them, and let's just say you don't know what the pattern looks like. And you can actually click on this, and it'll bring you to a YouTube video. So we just clicked on the fish. Magical fish, please appear. Look at that. There's Mr. Ing explaining how to do the fish. Do you see that? So you can either do all of these and just click on the video and then just check your answer. Okay, you have to work in the Kami system here. And it brings you to a video, so you can actually just click ahead and see what the answer is, or you can do it step by step with me just like you're in class. Okay? And that's how we're going to do the rest of the year. So I'm not just passing out a worksheet. I'm actually doing this with you every single problem, or if you're like super get it, you may not need me, then you can just go ahead. So kind of look what we're doing visually. We're going from pictures to numbers with tables, okay? So essentially you're doing the letters A, B, and C in this skills practice over 2 days. And that's pretty much it. That's what we're doing for week number 5, week number 6, we'll work on skills practice 1.12, and then I think we'll have a quiz next week. So good luck. See you guys.